Hi everyone, it's me, Ron Albanese, and this is the Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird. This song and video go along with my first children's book of the same name, available on Amazon.
It was another sunny day at the beach. So much fun in the sand and sea. It couldn't get better, but just then, out of the sky I made a friend. The Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird! Yeah! Woo! Here we go! There is a bird who likes to fly around. There is a bird who loves to sing the song, and you gotta sing Ohh-Ahh-Eee. Everybody sing with me, sing Ohh-Ahh-Eee. The Ohh-Ahh-Eee Bird.
Come on and flap your wings.
Second verse. There is a bird who likes to fly around, and I know that you heard too. So will you sing too? You've got to sing it now. Ohh-Ahh-Eee. Everybody, flap your wings and sing, sing Ohh-Ahh-Eee. Awesome!
This is so much fun.
After we sang and laughed and played, it was time to go, it was getting late. I packed my guitar and blanket too. Told that little birdie, so much fun with you.
Yeah, come back and see me, my new friend.
I said, sure, but how will I find you then? He smiled, flapped his wings and said,
Just sing this song.
Oh.